Anybody ever played Angry Birds before? Some of you said, no, not going to happen. Some of you know what it's all about, though. It's the little bird that he gets in a slingshot. You pull him back. I haven't played it personally. My kids just do, But I have. Okay. You pull him back in the slingshot, the little Angry Bird is on your phone. You let him go, and he goes and hits the pigs. Why pigs? I don't know. But it downloaded millions and millions of times games, right? But here's the thing, the bird gets shot off, and some of you, you're like the Angry Bird, okay? And I've got a friend here I want to show you. This is you. Now you know what they are, right? All right. This is an Angry Bird Christian. You ever met one? The Angry Birds are angry because the pigs have stolen their food, and so you launch them into the air to tear down the structures and get rid of the pigs so that you get the points and get your food back. A lot of times we're just like Angry Birds with our relationships. We launch ourselves out at people. We hurt other people. We launch at them. But here's the thing. What happens if you've played that game, the three of you who've played that game, what happens to the bird once he lands, once he's launched? He explodes. And that's exactly how it is when we are the Angry Bird type of Christian that launches ourselves out in anger, in pain, without the joy of the Lord directing us. We launch ourselves out thinking we can knock down walls, thinking we can make our point, and maybe we do, but then all that happens is it blows up in our face. Just like the Angry Bird game. I don't want to walk around looking like this guy. How about you? Some of you said, I'm sitting by him right now, right?